An agile and resilient supply chain is the backbone of every chemical operation. It's the vehicle that reliably transports essential raw materials and products to their desired destination, safely, on time, and cost-effectively, providing value to customers across the globe. In traditional linear supply chains, one event could have a catastrophic impact on the whole chain, making them outdated and unfit for the future. Today, smart technologies possess the power to radically transform existing supply chain systems, helping to digitally connect every link, collecting, monitoring, and analyzing data in real time. This is giving rise of the fully connected supply chain network, the era in which Supply Chain 4.0 makes way to Supply Chain 5.0. From successfully deploying a mix of digital technologies to generate the products and services that the modern world needs, to harnessing a new generation cobot system in which humans and AI work seamlessly together side by side. The future of modern chemical supply chains is here. The question is, are we ready to embrace it? Since the onset of COVID-19, business leaders have changed the structure of their supply chain, improving supply and demand, planning, and accelerating digitalization efforts. Today, one thing is for sure: disruptions will hardly ever cease to exist. On the contrary, they'll mutate and evolve to challenge chemical supply chains in ever more complex and unexpected ways. The only means to success is to shape a future where chemical supply chains can respond to any obstacle or challenge. The Arabian Gulf region has one of the longest chemical supply chains, contributing to higher cost and adding pressure on profitability and margins. Improving supply chain efficiency, expanding on its modern infrastructure, eliminating cross-border inefficiencies, and opening new trade routes will provide a new lifeline to the chemical sector in the region. Companies cannot afford to lag behind on digitalization either. They must act with determination and precision on adopting a robust strategy if they are to move the needle on supply chain maturity in the GCC. Change must start from within. The dual imperative of sustainability and profitability demands action and vision for the future, not tomorrow, but today. And the evidence is there to support it. By investing in digitalization, companies can slash supply chain costs by between 30% and 50% and increase revenue by 10%. Increasing supply chain circularity is another key lever for success, estimated to generate $4.5 trillion in material value opportunities by 2030. Greener, more sustainable chemical supply chains will be enabled by technologies designed to fundamentally transform how we view, devise, and manage supply chain operations. To be effective, they'll demand investment, leadership, talent, and innovation at scale. The future ahead is charged with a greater sense of purpose, one where governments, business, and society are united by a common goal: to drive progress while preserving our planet. To carve out their place in a reimagined world, supply chains must pivot or perish. They must embrace connectivity at the expense of silos, transform at the expense of standing still, and innovate for the good of business, planet, and society. Welcome to the GPCA Supply Chain Conference, harnessing connectivity for a sustainable tomorrow.